Hi everyone, welcome back to the Shrink Shake Pod.
I'm Utkarsha,
And I'm Tina.
and we're both shrinks who like to shake things up. We are counseling psychologists at the Coping Central. Welcome back to the Shrink Shake Pod.
If you're new here, thank you. Hi, hello, welcome. If you've been here, thank you so much for watching. And before we get into today's episode, just a very quick disclaimer. This podcast is in no way, shape, or form a replacement for therapy. But if you do need therapy, you can reach out to us. Everything that you might need to contact us is in the bio down below. So, also, I'm just holding this mic like this because I just feeling some type of way. So,
Yeah, today's topic is very close to Tina's heart and
very
life
close.
story.
So I'm angry and about to be like,
But no, today we're talking about something that nobody has ever spoken about before. That's
I mean,
the
this
idea.
is the most niche, new, just like never been done
like
before.
we've just come up with the idea.
Like
This
we
is the
just
first
thought.
time. Like, we're the first people in this world who've thought of this idea.
Yes, I feel like the first people in any millennia to ever exist.
Yeah.
We've done this, and that's what we're speaking about. We're speaking about
How to be the most original person in this world. We're really sorry for misleading you.
we're sorry for misleading you. We do have original thoughts. We will just never share them because we're elite.
We're gatekeepers.
We're gatekeepers through and through. But what we're speaking about today is honestly like the myth of being original,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
What on earth is originality apart from the thoughts that we do have every day? What is?
That's something nobody will ever know, so that they can't copy it. Anyway, coming back, bringing back articulation very soon into the
Very soon. I feel like every episode we just lose articulation so quick. I feel like the next time it's going to be
Hi everyone,
bringing back articulation.
Anyway, bringing it back as necessary.
Mhm.
Necessary. Is that necessary?
Necessary. Mississippi.
We're
Hussini. I don't even know. What is
back. Articulation is back.
Mhm.
But you know what's not? Originality. It should never be back.
It should never be back.
It
I don't
should-
know. What is originality? Like, how would you describe it in absolute novel original terms? Just the fact that the definition of originality can't be described through
Like,
words
what
that
is
are
ori- like I don't know. Like what when people say that be original, be yourself, I feel like there's a shoe brand who might sue us. Isn't this a tagline? Be original.
Who's a shoe brand?
Just do it.
Oh, sure.
Wasn't
I feel
there?
like that's just leading towards a burnout. But sure.
It's true.
Like, be yourself. What kind of shit advice is that, first of all?
Call back.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine, please watch it. That's the only way
But we
anyone
have
of
also
you...
used this in the podcast.
It's true. You'll figure it out. Watch all other episodes. Come back to this one. Pause this. Go back. Watch all 8 episodes. Then we speak. But again, we're all over the place. What on
I'm
earth
just gathering.
is originality?
Oh man, I don't know. I'm sure. Like I feel like that when people say that you need to be original and you need to be like I don't know, be original. I feel like they're referring to that. Okay, do something your way and think something that kind of works for you. Do things that kind of get you going in
Yeah.
a way that gets you going. But I feel like that idea or just this motivation of be original and be the first
Dude,
one
like,
to do
think
something.
outside the box. What if I want to stay inside the box? What if my box has, like, I don't know, mattresses on all 4 walls?
Also, what if I stay inside the box in a way that is only suitable to me, and then
Yeah.
that's me being original while staying inside the box? Like, that's it. That for the sake of articulation, I feel like what we're trying to say here is the fact that when everybody keeps telling us, be original, be the first one to do things, be the only person who do things. Like, I don't think that's possible in a world that's so connected, in a world that thrives on social connections.
Yeah.
As people, we are wired to mimic and mirror other people's experiences to feel closer to them.
Yeah.
I don't think originality or like just this originality that exists in isolation is a great advice.
Dude, originality can only exist in isolation. No, I mean, as we
Yeah.
know it, because it's built on sort of soothing someone's ego instead of
Yeah.
connection.
Yeah.
That, oh, I'm different and you're beneath me.
Yeah.
Because then difference is also only rewarded when it puts you above someone else.
Yeah.
No, like if
Yeah.
everyone's writing a specific way and then I come in and I'm just like, "Ugh." So then my teacher's going to kick me out. Like, can you go to hell?
Yeah, it's so
But
true. Like originality or the difference is only rewarded if
yeah,
it's making you better than
Mhm.
others. Like,
damn,
damn,
that's
that's
something.
that's a reflection.
But again, okay, tell me how much of you as you are right now, like in this moment, is influenced by people around
I
you.
don't get influenced. This is I'm
All right.
100%.
5 minutes before this, she was like, should I wear this necklace? Should I? Is my top okay? Never ask me anything again. Shrink, shake, sabbatical.
Never.
Never, just never. Not allowed. But that's the thing, right? I mean, if I was to answer my own question, since you want to be hoity toity about it, my socks, if you can see, my socks were a gift from her. I think I've started wearing a lot of jewelry because we have a very dear friend who I also happens to be a little sister, and she loves jewelry. And this shirt, like this top, is my dad's, and he has like cool t-shirts. It says unsubscribe, not for the podcast, please subscribe.
Subscribe
Don't
right
be
now.
little bitches. But that's the thing, right? You don't live a life and you don't go through life without being untouched.
Yeah.
All right, I guess we're 3-year-olds.
But no, it's true. Like I feel like that. I think there's this Tumblr post. No, that's my favorite Tumblr post of all time. And it talks about how we are traces of the people who we love, and how originality or being yourself all the time, or just like coming up with things that only work for you, can be really exhausting and boring. Like I feel like the way, I think the post says that, oh, the way I make noodles was taught to me by my 11th grade best
Yeah.
friend. The way I look at the world right now, the way I click pictures was taught to me by an ex partner.
Mhm.
The way I kind of clean my room was taught to me by my mother, or something like that. And then we carry these sort of little pieces and traces of the people who we love within ourselves. And then we become, I feel like the originality that's really there is the fact that how much of other people's traces do you carry,
Yeah.
and how do you mix them and match them and then become this one person who's ever evolving and ever
Yeah.
changing.
And like those tiles, like mosaics,
Yeah,
that's just who we
Yeah.
are. Like, imagine being a plain white old boring tile and you're just
That's-
like,
that's the least original thing in the world.
I'm an original tile. You're boring. Boo hoo.
Yeah.
Move on. And I feel like it's so exhausting to constantly have a thing that's just your own, because then
Yeah.
who do you share it with?
Yeah.
And then if you're sharing it with someone, it is only coming at the cost of gatekeeping. That, oh, I'm going to give it to you, but you're not going to have to, like, you're not going to get to access it
Yeah.
in the way that I do. Then it's just like, oh, I can only clap for you from a distance, but I
Yeah.
can't rejoice with you.
Yeah, and I feel like gatekeeping is the worst thing
Not
that
really.
has to
I'm a
happen.
big
Like
gatekeeper.
one of the worst things.
If people ask me about where I get food, I say the restaurant burned down. So I don't want you at my
Untrue,
favorite
untrue.
establishment. I'm kidding.
Untrue.
If I like something, I will make it everyone's problem.
But that's the thing, like gatekeeping, while it sounds very cool and edgy and kind of makes us one of a kind, it's taking us away from the joy of multiplying. I mean, like, it's taking us away from the joy of multiplying the joy we're already
Yeah.
experiencing with
Mhm.
others. Like,
Yeah.
it's, if I really like something and I come and show it to you, and you also really like something,
Yeah.
and I'm just doubly happy, man. Like, that's the best
Yeah.
thing in the
Why
world.
do we want to be singly happy?
Yeah, like there's no reason to be singly happy. Please be doubly, triply, quadruply.
Quadruply.
Yeah.
But we've come to the first gap of the episode, and that is, there is absolutely no reason in this world to experience happiness that is singular.
Yeah.
There's a reason we've been taught plurals in words.
Yeah.
Like, imagine if you just got to experience cake and not cakes.
Yeah.
I would like cakes.
Yeah. And I would like those cakes to be one flavor each that my friends love, and then
Yeah.
have it with them, because why not?
Why not?
Why
Why
not?
would you want one cake and not like 5 million cakes. Maybe that's a lot, sure.
That's-
But like
Is
five,
it? Is it? Is it
no,
the?
it never
You
is.
tell us in the comments. Is 5 million cakes a lot? Yes or no?
It's
Just that.
really not,
It's
guys.
not.
Anyone who wants to say yes, there's a lot
Let's
of
have a
YouTube
chat.
channels.
Let's have a chat.
I just went to, there's a lot of YouTube channels. Go.
No, don't go away
Don't
from
go.
our channel. It's a small baby.
Wink.
Anyway, I think yes. Coming back to the app,
Mm.
that yeah, like if you are experiencing joy, I feel like there's this very old rusty Facebook and now like a WhatsApp message that talks about in life division should be of, I don't know, sadness or labor. Multiplication should be of happiness. That WhatsApp message
मुझे
has
नहीं
a
पता था
point.
मैं अपने दादाजी के साथ पॉडकास्ट शूट करूँ सुबह की पहली सूरज की किरण आपके इनबॉक्स में सुप्रभात
People wake up and decide they have to have an
absolutely
unoriginal
not
morning. That's
you've taken this too far.
It's
I'm
true.
scrapping this
It's
podcast
true.
idea. Being original is fun. Bring back interesting good morning messages.
But
But sure.
moving very very away from that tangent, I feel like yeah, like joy is so much more joyous when it's experienced with people who you love, and
Yeah.
you see them being joyous in your joy.
Mhm.
Then you're happy in their happiness,
Yeah.
and then it's just this big potluck
Be happy.
dinner of happiness we're having. I feel like
And-
that's so much fun.
Sure, but even if it's not happiness, right?
Yeah.
I mean, let's say you're sad and you're just like, oh, I'm going to experience sadness. Sadness. Bringing back
Articulation.
vocabulary. But I'm going to experience sadness in a way that no one ever has. Dude,
That's not
that's
true.
the worst outcome
Yeah, that's not
that you can
not
bring
great.
out of it.
That's
You
not
need
great.
to ask people around you to be
Yeah.
like, hey, have you felt what I have felt
Yeah.
before? What did you do about it?
Yeah.
How can I move on from this? And then I feel like it would be so utterly exhausting if I did not have people around me to share my things with.
Mm.
Because
Yeah.
then an example that comes to my mind is that, okay, let's say we hype up originality so much and we say that we need to be the first to do something. The dude who went on the moon, why do I know Louis Armstrong?
No, Neil Armstrong. Bring back general knowledge, I guess.
Sorry, I do not care for it. This is my original experience.
Horrible. Horrible.
Louis Armstrong.
Fail. Boo.
Dude, there is probably a Louis Armstrong somewhere who wants
There
to
is
be
a
on
Louis
the moon.
Armstrong who's a singer.
Singer?
How do you not know Neil and Louis Armstrong? Like that's just.
I'm bad with names. Kind of bad at everything. But again, whoever the yeah,
Bringing back.
bringing back articulation,
Articulation.
general knowledge, and just vibes. I've lost so many aura points in this. It's
Boo,
mad.
Tina.
Relax. But
Anyway,
dude who went on the moon, right?
yes.
People have
Neil
made it out
Armstrong.
to be. Oh, Neil Armstrong was the first person to go on the moon. It wasn't just a him thing.
Yeah.
First of all, Buzz Aldrin was there.
He was right after.
Exactly, right after. Second, there was a whole bunch of people who made this happen.
Pause. How do you know Buzz Aldrin but not Neil Armstrong?
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you.
So wild.
I'll
That's
tell you why. Because I have a huge beef with like, oh, first person to do something. Who were the seconds? Tell me about them. Tell me about how you came second and how you coped with it through life. Which is why.
Yeah.
Also, it's a very common question.
Who was
That,
the
oh, you
second
know the first
person?
person. Who was the second person? Buzz Aldrin, bitch.
We
But
didn't know Neil Armstrong. Anyway.
Neil Armstrong, if you're watching this, can he watch this? Is he
Who
alive?
is that? Neil Armstrong's family. We're really sorry for just this person's inconsideration today.
I am so sorry, I guess. The only way I can fix this is by going on the moon.
With the team, can I go? Can I
Sure,
come?
of course.
Sure.
We don't do anything
We-
alone.
We're not doing it alone.
It's true, but again, coming to the second
Yes.
part of things.
Yes.
Like, what's the difference between originality and authenticity? according to you?
I feel like that's the thing. I feel like I personally promote authenticity a
Hmm.
lot, but it's not coming from a place of oh do the things that nobody else has done or do it in a way that nobody else has done. I feel like copy everybody you want to, right? Or pick up things you really feel like are cool, but make them your own.
Mhm.
Like if I have picked up a way to say a word that I really liked from somebody else,
Yeah.
how do I use it in my vocabulary, right? Like if I am saying, like recently we heard the word, what was it? Lackadaisical?
Lackadaisical.
Lackadaisical. Like that's a new word and I've never heard of it. Now every time I say the word,
Why
I'll
would
think
you
of the
say that?
person.
I wanted to use it in the podcast.
But anyway, we're still using it in the
Still using it.
podcast. So if I am using lackadaisical as a word because I've heard it from somebody else, every time I use that word, I think of that person.
Exactly.
And that person might have used it in a formal setting, but I'll just use it casually, and that's authentic to me. That
And it's so important because I think it's incredibly important to constantly be reminded of people you love,
yeah,
because that's how life gets easier.
yeah,
Like, you could be in the middle of a shit storm and we would think of lackadaisical and still
yeah,
smile like, oh,
yeah.
great, Mr. Hoity Toity, seeing lackadaisical. But also, you know how you said like you should copy everything, dude. Copying is so great. Students, if you're watching this, don't bloody cheat on your
Yeah,
exams,
like no,
but
no.
don't do that.
So when we say copying, we don't mean take somebody else's labor of love and make it
Yeah.
your own, right? Like don't copy our podcast also for what it's worth. This is our labor of love. But when we say copy, we mean like imitate, right?
Sure.
Like
And if you're talking, like if you're watching this podcast with a friend and then the two of you are having lunch and someone fumfers a little bit and you're just like bring back articulation.
yeah,
So
that'll
then
be
it's
so
something,
great.
yeah,
That'll be
and that's something that connects, right?
yeah.
Let us know if you ever do that.
If you use our catchphrases with your friends,
Yeah.
tell us.
But right, and I've honestly never been offended or felt bad if I've been told that, oh, you're like your friend,
Yeah.
because then to me I'm just like,
Yeah.
oh, we fit like that.
Yeah, yeah. And I feel like that's the greatest part of it, right? Like if I walk into the room and I type, like if I say a word a certain way and somebody says that, hey, this is how Tina says it. I'm like, that's where I learned it
Exactly.
from. Like that's the whole point of being friends with each other or
Yeah.
with other people in our lives, I guess. That people are reminded of them when they look at us. They're reminded of us when they look at them. And
Yeah.
what is life if not that?
My favorite reel. I can't believe reels are my most quoted source of information at this point.
Yeah,
I
that's why
read
you
books.
don't know Neil
Louis
Armstrong.
Armstrong.
Neil
I know
Armstrong.
I'm just messing with
Again.
you. Whatever, dude. I don't care for white men. Was he white at least?
I think so.
Right.
I'm not sure of the.
Great job, dude. Oh, Gabby. There's a lot of people gone on the moon. Move on. But
I don't think so. Lot.
even
Lots
if
have
there's
gone into
even
this
if there's
space.
5, I feel like that's a lot. There's no reason
It's
to be
true.
going on the moon. Like, let
Science.
it be.
Science.
For what?
I don't know. Originality, I guess.
See, like, originality has the capacity to take you away from your home, which is the earth. Don't leave the earth, guys.
Like even going on the moon isn't original anymore. Like that's
Maybe
how
there is
overrated
maybe
originality
there
is.
is a Louis Armstrong who's gone.
Louis
Never
Armstrong
know.
is a singer.
So
He's sick.
wait, Katy Perry went to say,
It's true.
if that's your bloody argument that he's a singer, you lost the plot, and how?
It's from I am apologetic to Mr.
Shrink,
Louis
shrink,
Armstrong's family.
I don't know what gets into us every podcast where one tangent we find, no, that we're just on.
Mm.
But what on earth was I saying?
You were telling me something.
You were telling me.
Your favorite reel.
My favorite reel. Thank you.
Favorite
Great
reel.
callback. But my favorite reel is it's just this text that says that everyone who knows me knows you.
Yeah.
And I think
Yeah.
that's just so important to me.
Yeah.
That if I walk into a room, like, there's been a lot of times where I've met her family and I've been told like, oh, you guys are like so similar and you're like a tiny version of her. And that to me is so heartwarming that, oh,
Yeah.
yeah, friendship.
Friendship.
That's great.
I guess.
Ew, never do that again.
But I think like that's the thing, right? Like if we were so focused on being originals in different spaces, like if you enter a new workspace, like you will try to mimic the most liked person there because that's your way
Yeah.
of kind of fitting in. If you go to a new school, a
Mhm.
new city, a new sort of whatever, like wherever you find yourself in an like whenever you find yourself in an unfamiliar environment,
Yeah.
you will copy others,
And
and that's
it's true, like if
okay.
you're in a new city and you're deciding where to eat, you see a big queue outside a restaurant, you'll
Yeah,
be like, well, most likely to be,
yeah.
good.
Like I'm sure you won't go into this one
Dingy
dodgy,
ass
dingy
restaurant.
restaurant cafe where there's nobody.
I want to be
There's
different.
just one person because you want to be different. No, there is safety in mimicking and copying.
The
That's
yap
that's
is,
so.
oh my
Oh my god,
god.
that's so good.
Yes, the
There
yap
is
is that there
safety.
is
Yeah,
so much safety in mimicking, and I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. I feel like capitalism really thrives on
yeah,
making us
yeah.
individualistic robots,
Robos.
robots.
Boom, boom.
Chitty, chitty.
I love
I
Chitti.
love Chitty. My God,
Chitti
what a
was
film,
also
right?
not original, I guess.
He wasn't. Do you remember, like the competitor's
Yeah,
factory?
yeah, yeah.
गन उठाने को बोला था, गन नहीं.
I love Chitti. We've
But
gone to
coming
coming back
coming back to
to this
articulation,
podcast.
we are
Yes,
articulate individuals who can stay on one line of thought
that's
without
our
shifting.
manifestation. Is it called? Yeah, that's a
That's a
daily
yeah, that's a
manifestation.
daily manifest. That's an affirmation.
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 But what was I saying?
Chitti.
No,
That capitalism makes us into this.
capitalism makes us into these individualistic, like head down, just keep following your paths, people. When we don't exist on streamlined paths,
Yeah,
you live
yeah.
in a jungle. If anyone's played Farmville, life is
Oh
Farmville.
wow, it's true.
It's true. You have croplands and you
Lesson.
have trees. I miss Farmville now. Shit.
It's so good. It was so.
But right, like bring back Farmville first of all. But
Mhm.
it's so necessary to sort of know that you don't exist as a streamlined version as an
Yeah,
individual, that you will look around you to make sense of your experiences.
yeah.
And if you, let's say you have your headphones on at a mall and the fire alarm goes off. So if you keep your headphones on, you're just like, ah. But
It's
then you
true.
look at people around you and they're all fucking freaking out, and you're just like, shit, I need to do something
Yeah,
as well. So
yeah,
you make sense of your world around you because of who's present in it.
yeah.
And
And
you can't.
that's so true. And I feel like that. Um, I can't help but think, and I don't know if this will come across as insensitive, but people tried to be original and went in a submarine in the underwater stuff and they
We all know
died.
how that went.
We know how that ended. So that's what
Don't
maybe
go in
originality
submarines.
gets you. But like, like I'm sure those 5 people were also boosted up by
Yeah,
capitalism. Be like, be original. There's nobody who's done this before.
great. You just
Um,
died. A lot of people have died before. Congrats on having the same end everyone's destined to have.
yeah, like I think like that's the thing that this whole sort of isolation that
Yeah.
comes with originality, it doesn't consider the fact that when we look at other people and their experiences and follow the paths that they have kind
Mm-hmm.
of followed, it allows us to avoid like big risks and putting ourselves in dangerous situations and kind of not maybe making the same mistakes that might have
Yeah.
harmed somebody. Like it, coming back to the same point that there's so much safety
Yeah.
in copying,
And
mirroring.
also, not to say that you shouldn't take big risks in life.
Yeah.
No? Like, sure, take a risk, but then don't get to a point in life where your originality has led you to a place where you have no community left,
Yeah,
which will hold
yeah,
you after the big risk.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
even when people dive from bigger heights, they need swimmers around them so that when they
yeah,
dive, if something goes wrong, they can like sort of
yeah,
safeguard. If you don't have that, bro, you are going to die,
yeah.
and that's going to be the most unoriginal thing you've ever done in life. Everyone dies.
It's true.
So, wow, I didn't mean to get this existential in life.
Anyway,
But anyway, bringing back
life.
positivity
I
and
don't
the
know,
life instinct.
something life instinct.
But yeah, I think, how would you say that authenticity should be fostered in life?
I I think authenticity can be fostered
I
with
love
a
how you
lot.
just went like,
I'm
hmm,
thinking. I'm
quite
doing
cute.
doing a big thing.
Ciao, mein ciao. Like we love Dragon Tales.
I'm sure so many of you do. That's not
Yeah, not
our
an original
original
experience.
experience.
But no, wait, I had a question before that. That w- what is an original experience? What's an original piece of music, writing, art, dance, any sort of expressive arts? There is no originality. It's the same words, it's the same lines, it's the same tunes
Yeah, it's
that's
the
just
same
being
emotion being expressed in
over and
different
over
ways. Yeah.
again.
And that's what we connect with, right? Like, I feel like there are, after like, it's been so long, I feel like since COVID, people have craved, like good romantic Hindi Bollywood movies. And a few of them have come up in this year or the last year, and everyone has kind of gone to the cinemas and enjoyed it. Why? Because it's not an original experience,
Yeah.
because it was something that was familiar, it was something that was copied and picked up, and the nuances were something that we've already seen before. But we really, like, we feel like we are habits of creatures of habit.
Creatures of habit. And of course, there's nothing wrong with being that, right? I think like people can do the same things over and over
Yeah,
again, but it depends on how you or like how it shifts in its reception to who your
yeah,
audience is.
yeah,
That I could hear something lackadaisical, right? I could hear that in a very formal setting, but then when I tell you there's something that's happened here, there's something that happened here, and now that experience gets to exist in like not a linear fashion.
yeah, yeah.
No?
Like, it kind of branches out, and I feel like going back to the question that you asked, right? Like,
Yeah.
what, how do you kind of foster authenticity without, like, necessarily making it this original and the only
Yeah.
experience in the world? I feel like that's, you foster authenticity by really asking yourself, what is this thing doing for me, to
Hmm.
me, right? Like, if I see you wearing a hat and I'm like, hey, Tina wore a hat, I also want to
I
wear a
will
hat.
never wear a hat, by
It's
the
true.
way. Like,
Like, the lamp shade on your head looks like a hat. That's why I thought of it.
a
But it's
hat?
quite fun, yeah. But no, like, and if I wear a hat and I feel like my head really hurts and I can't do this is too
Yeah.
overstimulating for me, then I won't wear a hat. But if I see you wearing a bracelet and I really like it, and I'm like, I'm going to wear the same bracelet, and it really goes with what I'm wearing, I'll keep wearing it.
And then you've unlocked something that you also like, and it
Yeah,
gave you access because you saw someone else doing
yeah,
it. So
yeah,
then, is it copying or is it just having influence in your life?
yeah, or just adding to your life experiences that maybe you didn't know could work for
Yeah.
you. Then you saw it with somebody else, and then you're like, hey, I also want to try, and then you really liked it, and then like,
And
oh,
that's about it.
sure, it worked.
Like, it's really not that deep.
Yeah,
I
like,
feel
I
like.
feel like that's the thing. Like, that's how you foster authenticity, by asking yourself that, if I'm picking this up from someone,
Yeah.
how am I making this my own?
Mm-hmm.
What is this doing for me? How is this adding to my life?
Yeah.
And just what's the meaning I'm giving it?
Yeah. And it's, again, it's not about taking someone else's labor of love, right? Like, let's say, I don't know, someone made a bunch of t-shirts for themselves and then you're just like, I'm going to copy exactly how it is. That's maybe not nice. But
That's
then if that gives you the idea to make something of your own, it is yours as well. It's not just that
yeah,
person's thing that you've taken from them. It's
yeah,
something that you've made your own. And it's so important to be able to do that over and
yeah,
over again,
yeah,
because I don't know who this documentary is by, but there's this documentary called Everything or Everybody is a remix.
it's so much.
And it's so important.
That sounds right,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
We are a
Everything is a
remix of,
remix.
and we are a remix of DNA. Like, that's what we are. Like, that's
Yeah, it's lit. Oh my god, I feel like DNA is built so aptly, like as a figure to like
yeah.
remix. Like, that's so sad.
That's, in my head,
Okay.
DNA sounds like that.
The episode is done with. I will be hyperfixating on that sound. I need to shut the cameras and listen to it right now.
That's how our DNA sounds in general knowledge, new knowledge, I
New
guess.
knowledge that has been created. Now this is original. This is
This is
originality that's
nobody
making me.
in the world would have thought that DNA sounds like.
It's very unlikely.
Yeah,
There is no
I'm
novel
sure.
experience. I
It's
feel
true.
like even if I sit down right now to make up the most horrible day in someone's life, I'm sure someone would have had it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
again, I feel like there is so much comfort in knowing that you're not the only one who's
Yeah.
gone through
I
it.
feel like so much of therapy is around this, right? When we tell and we talk to people and we listen to their experiences, they also come up and ask us that, hey, is it just me who
Have
this
you ever
is
seen
happening
someone
to?
else go through
Yeah.
it?
And then
Yes,
you
true.
say yes. And then you're like, oh my God, thank God. Like,
Yeah.
thank God I'm not the only one. Because then the problem with that also is that if you think you're the only one with whom bad things happen,
Yeah.
it's so easy to blame yourself, or it's so easy
Yeah.
to kind of have this feeling that
Things are happening to
something,
me.
yeah, and something's kind of plotting against me or something like that. That so much powerlessness.
Yeah. And
We,
go
yeah.
ahead.
No, I was just saying that there's so much empowerment in knowing that, hey, I'm not the chosen one to have a shitty day. There are other people who are having
It's
it.
one of those memes, no? Like two people sitting on either end of a bus, and one's
Yeah,
like looking at the mountain
yeah,
and the other at the valley. Like, oh, I'm not the only one who's gone through this.
yeah,
Because you can't possibly expect yourself to have a novel experience in God's year of 2025.
yeah. It's true.
It is not possible.
It's not possible.
Like, oh, you sent someone an embarrassing text, been there, done that. 100 million people every day. You drove a car off of a bridge, not 100 million people,
A
maybe
couple
like
of
a
people.
couple million. But again, we need to come to a point where we feel comfort knowing that there will always be this community, even if we're not in
Yeah,
direct touch with them, who has experienced it and who
yeah,
has lived through it and who have, my God, who have sort of made sense of their
yeah,
experiences.
yeah. And I
Yeah.
feel like that's the thing. Like, that's where we also, in our little way, rebel against capitalism, where
Yeah.
we stop our silly little race of being unique. There's no joy in that.
Yeah.
All it does is that, oh, sure, it gives you one trophy, one, yeah, woo,
And
you're
capitalism
just,
has never brought people together.
yeah,
It's been revolutions that have
yeah,
brought people together. That
it's true.
a bunch of people with a common cause have come to the streets and
Yeah.
been like, okay, this is what we want.
Guess what they were not doing? Trying to be original.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Imagine being original in a protest.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
That's against the idea of what it
Give
stands
us
for.
basic human rights. No. You're the worst person alive, just by the way.
But that's the thing. I feel like that in a very large sort of meta idea of this
Yeah.
is that the day we kind of stop fighting to be original and to be unique is, I feel like that's a very silent but powerful protest
Mhm.
against capitalism.
Yep.
And the voice that tells us that, oh, you have to be unique to be rewarded. No, bro, I will be rewarded by love in the community that's the same.
Exactly.
that's
And
so
you
much
don't have
joy.
to earn rewards, right?
Yeah.
I think there was something going on Twitter a few days ago. The tweet said, show me a tweet that sort of changed your brain chemistry.
Hmm.
And there was one that said, like, quotes me, I deserve this, I need this. Screw that. What if you want it?
Yeah.
No, like the
Yeah.
whole conversation we've had for
Yeah.
months. But you can just want things.
Yeah. And,
And
there
that's
are
about
other
it.
people who can want things,
And
and
who have
then you can
wanted
want them
things before
together.
you.
And then that just makes your seek for those things easier.
Have
I
we
think-
arrived at the grand yatra?
Yeah, I feel like the grand yap is that striving to be original, unique, one of a kind really makes your life hard.
Yep.
So if you want to make your life easy, try to find people who want, like, do the same things as you do.
Yeah.
You want to copy them, you want to mimic them, you want to create experiences together, and just create a nice communion for you to live in.
And it's really not as bad as it sounds.
yeah,
I
it's,
feel
it's
like I
quite
would
fun.
much rather have a hobby that I can do with 500 people than do something niche that I just whack my head against a wall in a room alone.
Yeah.
That's just boring.
Yeah. So if you're watching this, know that there are others along with you who are watching this. We really hope there are. I mean,
Those are 5
please.
people watching this. Thank you. When we're at the YouTube Fan Fest in 5 years, we won't forget you.
Yeah, we will
It's true.
remember you by your usernames. But thank you for being here. We hope this made sense to you. We hope you go out and find your community. We
Mhm.
hope you come back to this same place episode in 2 weeks.
Same episode. We
I
have
mean,
other
like,
episodes.
those will be original.
That's what's up. But that's a shrink shake sign off. We'll see you next week. Take care of yourself. Stay hydrated. Do whatever the fuck you
Bye.
want.
I guess.
Bye.
Bye.